Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Eileen Ricaforte La Rosa. I am 43 years old, married, having two children, two sons, 22 and 21 years old. I live in Calibo, Aklan. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the second member of the family. I am high school graduate. I am ex-abroad working in Bahrain, 2 years finished contract with the employer, family, having 2 children, 5 years old and 5 months old. I do all the cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and car washing, marketing, but my main duty is to take care of your children. I am honest and hardworking, responsible mom. Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking and good with the kids. I promise to treat your family as my family also. I will serve you with all my best. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.